Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. Hey, today it's on a descending triangle, and at the same time we had a death hook. So, part 2 on that one. Let's get right to it here. It was on Carvana CVNA, and it was here at market opening. It was dropping, and this is a descending triangle, which is a bearish formation, and the markets were also falling at the time. You want to know more what a descending triangle is and what the trading opportunity is on it, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and go to the free chart school. That's right. And here are the trading patterns that we trade in that during our day trading chat room, as well as for our swing trading and position trading that we teach. And we were looking at a bearish chart here, and it was for a descending triangle right there. Click on it. And there's a picture of it, what it looks like. And it is a horizontal line where it's going up smaller and smaller and smaller, which means it's like a coiled spring ready to explode, and probabilities are it's going to drop down. So I have set a trade right there. And by the way, if you want to know what it looks like on real charts, here's some examples on with each one of these candles I did daily. And here are some previous day trading ones that I did. These are 1 minute candles, but same thing. Same formation, and then drop. Those are just two examples. So let's take a look here at this one, and you can see here it's a horizontal line there. It's getting, there you go. I set a trade right down here by the end of these wicks at $10.12. Let's see what happened next. And it popped up. Now this is what we're calling the death hook here. It popped up here above that line of resistance there. Look at that, and then it started to drop down, and bam. It dropped all the way down, and then my order got triggered at $10.12. I'm now short on a CVNA, and it dropped right here. This was the closing line and an even $10 amount. But when it dropped, see, the death hook is where it pops out and then drops on bigger volume. And look at that, 1 million shares when it made that major drop there. Over 1 million shares. That is volume confirmation, folks, right there. So I have my stop here at 10.22, an automatic 1% stop attached, and I'm just going to bring it in a little bit here, staying above 10.10 where I got in, as it could be a possible line. It was support here, and it could now be resistance area there. And so let's see, I'm not in the money yet, but let's see what happened next here. Again, these are 1 minute candles, and it's dropping. Oh, bam, look again, nice big drop there. That's over 1%, that's a 2% drop there in one candle. Bringing my stop down here, just above 990 now, and I'm now in the money. I'm in the money now, which means that if I stop out, I've made some money on it. And now it's down here, just dangling down here. This yellow line is a pivot line, and it's using that as a support area. So I'm bringing my stop down here, and I'm going to bring it down here. Oh, I don't know. How about just above this 970 area? We have 960 support, resistance. So it has to break that. It has to break the 8 EMA, and it also had to break this 970, which was resistance here. And these are shields that I'm protecting my stop with. Here we go. Let's see what happened after that. And we're just waiting. Oh, boom! There, it finally came up and popped up and got me out at 972 for 4.0% in 21 minutes. Hoo-ah, I love it when that happens. So again, what was this? Looking at the overall trade, descending triangle. The market was also bearish. Set a trade here. Set the trade, let the market come to me, and then I went, and when I was short, I was just following my stop down, and locking in profits as I went along, and boom, it dropped up off the bottom. Hey, love it. Now, if you want to know more about how to trade the Grok Trade way, go to GrokGrad.com. That's right here, GrokGrad.com. 3 opportunities for you to learn a lot. First of all, you can take our 101 class, which is about what trading is. It's free, 6 sessions, and it just tells you about what is trading in general. And then we have our 201s and our 301. Our 301 mentoring is live mentoring. I'm the primary presenter on that. And it is, if you want to know more about our mentoring program, right here, 3 days of intense training. And then from there, here it goes. This is firing up here. Where Des is going to talk about it. 3 days of intense training is how it starts out, And then we are there as your mentors from that point forward to help you apply that new knowledge that you have. And you can come back and take that 3 days of intense training over and over and over again. Want to know more about that? Go through these videos with Des. They're little 2-minute videos, and they ask you a question at the end. And depending on your answers to which video he'll show you next, so that it's going to be tailored to exactly what you want to know about our mentoring program, and in a much shorter period of time than if we had to sit and talk to you on the phone. And then when you're finished with that, if you want to pursue it further, just give us a call and we'll talk to you about the opportunity. And it's not for everybody, but that's okay. We'll kind of sort out and see if it might be for you to help you become a savvy, consistent trader over time. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that if your only focus is making money, buy a printing press. Trade well, and may your winners run.